This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Fospower timer model and battery status. This avoids mismatched procedures. Once done, open the faceplate and identify the programming button and any DIP or mode switches. Make sure to have your desired on/OFF pairs written in 24-hour format. That speeds input and prevents errors. You will press and hold the program button to enter setup. Listen for a beep. This confirms programming mode. Then release and prepare to set the first time slot immediately. You now set the first program slot by adjusting hour then minute. Press firmly and watch the display for each increment. Once the time is correct, assign the days. Use the weekday group option for repeats versus single-day entries for exceptions. Make sure to toggle AM or PM only if the timer is in 12-hour mode. Otherwise, use 24-hour inputs. After each slot, press the program button to save and move to the next. Repeat until all on/OFF pairs are entered and visible. You finish by exiting programming mode and immediately testing the schedule. Manually force an on, wait, then force OFF to confirm relay action. If outputs match the display, let the timer run through a full scheduled event to verify reliability. If it behaves unexpectedly, do not reprogram blindly. First check battery, correct time, time zone and daylight saving settings, plus output wiring. If necessary, perform a soft reset and re-enter the saved program, keeping a photo of each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.